Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching all my previous clips. And today's I want to talk about the drop for the cryptocurrencies that recently almost everything drops, like from Ripples, TRON to Stillers, Cardanos, everything drops. So are we panicking? No, I am totally not panicking. But do I feel like something uncomfortable about, like something not? Of course, that's how human is. I mean, common sense, like, okay, I'm losing money. Of course, I don't feel, there's always a feeling inside your heart that just doesn't feel good. But there's something to panic about, because you know why? It's just like stocks. Oh, let's not talk about stocks. Let's talk about this. Let's say TRON. TRON was at like 3 cents like a week ago. A week and a half ago or something like that. So from 3 cents, it went to 6 cents, then went to 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 cents, 16, then all the way up to like 25 cents, I believe. So imagine that, from 3 cents to 25 cents. That's crazy. That's totally crazy. But there's always a pullback. Means from 25 cents it pullback, and now I believe is at I saw earlier was at like 11 or 12 cents, but then now I went back and checked it. It's at 15 cents. So I mean, here we go, 15 cents. Now is at here we go, 15 cents. So yeah, now since it's at 15 cents, I mean, a week ago it was like 3 cents. That's still a good percent raise. Like, if you were to invest, that's like around, more like 4 or 5 times up, triple up, up your money. It's just a matter of. So the drop, or there's just like, I also heard the Ripples that it also took a big drop, and also there's a lot of news just came out for the Coinbase. They're not gonna add Ripple into their market, but it's nothing to panic about. I mean, on overall, we're still making money. I mean, if you would have bought in like 50 cents, 60 cents, or 70 cents, or whatever it is, that's more than triple up your money already. So there's always since cryptocurrency is already up like thousands of percent, 500%, or 700%. It dropped for the like 2-3 days up to like even though it dropped 100%, that's very common sense, because just that's how these market works. Just like stocks, I have a stocks that I actually bought many stocks. I bought a stock back then. Let's just say I put $100 on the. I bought 100 shares on this stocks, and out of nowhere it dropped to $90. And am I panicking? No. You know what? Also, I have something that dropped for the whole month, like up, down, then up a little bit, then down. Kind of like up down trend. And you know what? Overall, I hold it. The most important part, I believe, is you have to check the homework. I mean, I had to check the news and do a little bit of homework on it. You have to check like if there's something really wrong with the companies, or something really wrong with the coins. Like okay, this coin is gonna go bankruptcy, and that is not good news. If it's something like news, like just like Ripple, the news, okay, people was panicking because Coinbase not gonna add Ripple. So I mean. So what? Ripple doesn't even need Coinbase overall. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go back up in no matter of time. I mean, Coinbase adding Ripple, that's even better news. That means Ripple prices is gonna go up. It's gonna go up. But since they're not gonna add it at the moment, I'm sure sooner or later they're gonna add it. It's just they don't want to add it right now. So, but still. Dropping I believe there's nothing to panic about, especially if you're in the long run, if you're going to keep this stock for a long time. It's nothing to worry about. You just leave it in there, and if it drops down, it's gonna go back up. If it go back up, it's gonna go back down. But all I know is that the raise up, let's just say it raised 100%, it dropped 10%, then it dropped 20%. You overall still gain, then lose. If it raise 500%, then it dropped 50%, then tomorrow drop 20%, then tomorrow drop 10%. Drop maybe to 100, 200%, but overall you still gain 300% out of the 500%. So I just want to let you guys out there know that if you're seeing this, there's really nothing so hard. I know it doesn't feel good, including myself. I mean, I still have the feeling like, okay, you know what, this is killing me. I don't know what to. I've been there many, many times. When I first started stocks, which is a year ago from now, which is the first time I started back in on June. That's the first time I started stocks, and I did bought few, which sometimes it go up more than 100%, and some it actually dropped down. But I did panic a little bit, but overall I didn't sell it. It just go. This one I bought. I really want to let you know that I bought Amazon back in June. It raises up all the way up to like July or August or something like that. Then it went all the way down to like 900 something. And you know what? Did I panic? I didn't panic that much, but I did have a feeling like it just doesn't feel right. Okay, you know what? I'm losing. But then overall, look at Amazon right now. It's all the way up to $1,200. More than $1,200, I believe, right now. So, guys, hold the stocks, don't sell it unless you really need like urgent monies. Okay, I need these funds to do some, but other than that, in my opinions, I would just hold it. And because if it goes back down, it will go back up. Just like Ripple, I believe I bought it last week. It was like it went all the way up to like 220, then it dropped to 210, then 200, then up to 190, then up to 188, I believe. That is the time which I bought in at I also bought another one in at like 190. And also the drop for this today, I actually bought additional a few $100 into it, because the drop is, this is, once it drops, it's the time that we need to buy in and buy more and make more. Because when it goes up, we double up our money. So if it goes back down, we either sell it. I mean, it depends how you play it. If you're on the long terms, there's something to worry about. Who cares if it drop raise? You're in for like a year from now, But if you're looking for like a short terms, like short trade, or doing like, okay, I want to buy 5,000 coins, and then if it doubles up my monies, I want to sell it out. This is a short terms. Okay, cool. I mean, depends how, like I said, depends how you play it. But for my play, sometimes I like to leave long stocks, and sometimes I like to sell it short. But I always have two separate sides of money. So some stocks I don't want to touch it. I just want to leave it there. Especially Ripple is something that I like long term. I just leave it into my wallet. I don't want to touch that. But I also play short trading, also day trading type of stuff. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. I just wanted to post this up video that there's nothing to panic about, and it's actually a good thing that it dropped, because I have a chance to buy more and make more. Thank you so much for watching the video, and stay tuned. Thank you, peace.